Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to customize, how to program the star button on your steering wheel. So if you would like to do this, let's find the setup button right here. Then choose here the button. Afterwards, choose the second option, which is custom button on your steering wheel. So this is the favorite button, as you can see with this star. And here you can do a few things with this. You can reject and end call, change hands-free device, enter the privacy mode, start the voice memo, return to the home screen, return to the current vehicle location on the map, reroute, cancel reroute, turn radio on or off, quiet mode, or go to driver assistance settings screen, or you can don't do anything. In my case, let me, for example, turn radio media on or off. So that's it. Let me leave it like that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.